Hello and thanks for joining us on today's episode of NASENI Game Changers. I am your host, Margaret Oboimaji, and with me in the studio is Engineer Dr. Najib Hamisu Umar. Engineer Hamisu is the team lead of the NASENI Dev Frontier Green Energy Project. He is here as an expert in the renewable energy sector, and he will be discussing with us on NASENI's role in renewable energy in Nigeria. Dr. Najib, you're welcome and thanks for joining us today.
Okay, thank you so much for having me. It is a pleasure.
Nigeria is moving away from fossil fuels to renewable energy. How is NASENI contributing to this goal?
So, the transition actually from fossil fuel, which is conventional energy sources, to renewable energy, is something that NASENI has been playing a vital role. Nigeria has set energy target through its energy transition plan, that is achieving 30% renewable energy by the year 2030 and net zero, that is 100% renewable energy by the year 2060. And NASENI, as a key player, is fully aligned with this vision, and they have been playing a role. I think the main role of NASENI in this transition is to localize renewable energy technologies, reduce reliance on imports, and create a green energy that will create jobs and support sustainable growth.
Transitioning from one form of change to another is one difficult task to carry. With this sudden change, how have Nigerians, accepted NASENI's innovations over the years?
So firstly, I can say Nigerians have come to accept this shift due to so many reasons. If you look at it, renewable energy technologies, even though the use of fossil fuel, though it is an abundant, but it's not sustainable in the long run. Now you see there are frequent power outages or power shortages in the country. Number three, you can see the petrol and diesel, high cost of petrol and diesel, of course, and the environmental, impact. I think these are the main factors that made renewable energy, to be more attractive because of these factors I've just mentioned. And secondly, the transition is not just Nigerian ambition or Nigerian concern. It is a global agenda. There are a lot of projects or collaborations that are related to renewable energy technology, which are NASENI are the key players, and I think this will definitely help Nigeria to achieve its energy target, that is by fully converting from non-renewable to renewable energy by the year 2060.
Those are really, really massive projects, if you ask me. And it is very obvious that NASENI is really working hard to contribute positively to Nigeria's transition to from fossil fuel to renewable energy. And I must commend the team, NASENI's management, staff, everybody that has been working tirelessly to ensure that Nigeria is being carried along in terms of making sure that we transition easily. I know that NASENI has a lot of renewable energy products that we may not have mentioned. We just mentioned collaborations. We have products like the electric vehicles, the lithium battery you talked about. We also have the irrigation NASENI irrigation pump, and also other products that are, supporting this renewable energy transition drive. But there's this one particular project that I would love for us to talk about, and that is the NASENI Solar Cell Production Factory in Nasarawa. So NASENI is currently building a solar cell production factory in Nasarawa. Can you take us through the project and what it means for Nigeria's economy?
So thank you so much. Also, this is the one of the big project NASENI is looking into. The factory actually is situated in Gora, which is in Karu local government. So if you look at it, the choice of the location also is strategic, because Nasarawa State has abundant raw material, silica in particular, and silica is the raw material that is essential in solar cell production. So that is why NASENI have chosen Nasarawa. Because of that, it's a strategic decision to choose Nasarawa State. So but now NASENI are actually diversifying the whole project. Instead to focus only on solar cell production, which is the biggest and the largest one in the whole West Africa. So now they are actually expanding the horizon, like the sectors. Now instead of solar cell production, they are now going to make it to be like renewable energy park, whereby so many renewable energy activities will be taking place, not only solar cell production. So, and the project, that I think definitely the project will help Nigeria for so many. The project will definitely help Nigeria, like it will reduce the reliance on imported solar cells, and it will definitely stabilize the prices, because now some of the solar cells are very expensive. So if we start producing it here in massive producing, it will definitely reduce the price, understand, and it will also strengthen the local content, you understand. So throughout the solar value chain, Nigerians will be involved, from the raw material exploration, to the engineering itself, which is the production, to the end user, which is the commercialization. So you see the whole value chain, we're going to actually strengthen the economy by creating more jobs, to Nigerians. And the project will also going to make Nigeria, as the largest renewable energy hub in the whole Africa. And I believe that Nigeria, as a giant of Africa, and the largest economy, could not afford to be left behind. And that is why Nigeria, through NASENI, have initiated this project, to achieve this energy target.
Thank you very much, Engineer Dr. Najib Hamisu Umar. It's been a pleasure having you join us in the studio today. It's been very insightful and very educative, I must say. We have seen that NASENI is doing very well in terms of making sure that Nigeria is carried along with the transition process from fossil fuel to renewable energy. And Dr. Najib has done justice to this. I'm sure that we have learned one or two and also been informed about most of the things that NASENI has been working behind the scene, to push or drive this process. You can follow us on all our social media platforms at NASENI HQ, and you can also join us for more information. You can reach us at naseni.gov.ng. Until we come your way next time, I am still Margaret Okoimaji. Thanks for joining us.